Let's talk about pictures in this next video. Pictures are a great way to make your spreadsheet more visually appealing. Whether you have a logo you want to add in there, you maybe want to spruce up your title, or you have a diagram or another graphic of some sort, inserting a picture is a great way to do that. So there's 3 basic steps. Now before we actually insert it, there's one assumption that I'm making in this video, and that is that we've already have the picture that we're going to be inserting. So we're not going to be doing any creating in this video. We're just going to be showing you how to find that picture and then how to insert it into our spreadsheet. Okay, so 3 basic steps here. The first is you want to click on the cell that you want that picture to go into. And in my case, right, I just have a basic list of the sales for my employees here, and I've got a title that's just purely text in cell B1. So I'm going to click on B1. That's where I want my picture to go, because I have a picture of my title that I want in there. So I'll click on B1. The second step is you're going to want to make sure you're in the Insert tab, and we've been in the Home tab up until now, so make sure you click on Insert, and then we're going to be clicking on Picture. So go ahead and give that a click. That will take you to the Insert Picture window. Now this is where I most recently was, so it takes me right to where I want to be, which is where my picture is. And if your picture is in a different location, you can navigate by different menus here on the left. You've got access to your desktop, to recent places, different libraries. It could be in My Pictures. You might have it on a USB clip. Wherever it might be, you're going to want to find it here. So there it is. Mine's right here. We're going to single click, or you can simply double click. And I'll go down here and click on Insert, and that's going to put it right here conveniently in the cell that I had clicked. So that was B1, and it looks a whole lot better now. So I've got the picture in there, and you'll notice that if you were looking at your ribbon, there's one extra tab up here called Format. This is a great example of what's called a contextual tab. Now, contextual tabs just mean they're exclusive to the object that you have in your spreadsheet. So since we have a picture here, I've got a picture format tab, and there's all sorts of tools and stuff you can play with, which we are going to be looking at in a little bit later video. But for now, we've got our picture in there. And if you don't happen to have a picture, but you still kind of want to play around with adding graphics, you can always go back to your Insert tab and check out the clip art. I'll be detailing this a little bit more later, but nothing's stopping you from going into clip art and kind of browsing and seeing what's available to you. There's a lot in that Microsoft database, and the majority of it is all license free, copyright free, so you don't have to worry about stealing somebody's artwork, which is always good. So that's inserting pictures in a nutshell. They're a great way to really make your spreadsheets more professional looking and more visually appealing. So have fun.